Hello Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because it basically means we are entering into fall. Now I am going to show you how to make your own DIY fall inspired ears. Now there are several different ways you can do this. I can kind of show you what I'm going to do and my plan because I am going to Food and Wine twice this year and I want to make sure to have a wonderful pair of ears for Food and Wine. So let's hop into this DIY Mickey ear tutorial.
So let's start with supplies. I got these Mickey ears for $1 at Target from the Love Mickey line collection. Of course, you'll need a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks, some scissors. I didn't end up using this fall floral from the Dollar Tree, but I did have it on hand in case I decided to use it. It just didn't end up working. I got these small grapes from Michael's, but I was actually able to find some bigger grapes at the Dollar Tree if you decide you want to do this for like under $5, which you absolutely can do. And then these are 3-inch round grape vines that I got on Amazon actually, and it was a pack of 12. And then these stickers, I didn't end up using those either. And these fairy lights, which I do use, and I'm very excited to show you how I did that. Now what I first did was just kind of figure out how I wanted to use these grapevines, and I decided to actually double up. So you'll see on both sides of these ears, I actually put one on one side and one on the other, and I just hot glue gunned it on the base of the ear. And then I will turn it around and do the exact same thing, just glue on the base of that ear. And I did kind of do a little bit of reinforcement by putting a little bit of glue on the top. I don't know that it was necessary, but I did do that. Next you'll see I am just placing the grape in the center of these ears, and really it just ended up being far more simple than I think I even expected, and I just really love how they turned out. They're simple but they're pretty and they get the point across. I'm making Food and Wine ears. And finally, I am threading these gorgeous little fairy lights that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1 through these vines. Now I will thread it through each ear vine, and then I will thread it through the center as well, just so it's got some consistency. And what I end up doing with that battery pack, that black battery pack right there, I actually glue it on this side. And while you can see it because I wear my hair up, I don't think you will be able to see it if you actually wear your hair down. So I think it'll work out fine.
Enjoyed this DIY Mickey ear tutorial. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out to figure out what kind of content you guys are enjoying. And if you are not a subscriber, I would love to have you stick around. I do a lot of DIYs. I do a lot of tips videos, tricks videos. If you're a mom or a parent, I would love to help you out with kids at Disney as well. And I'm always looking for new content or things that you guys want to see. So go ahead and leave a comment below. Always taking requests. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just